To set up the air conditioning, press the Climate button on the button bar. From there, you can adjust settings in either Smart AC, from cooling your feet to getting fresh air in your car. In Classic AC, set the preferred temperatures for driver and co-driver using the touch slider or by tapping the plus or minus icons. To set up the temperature in the back, tap Rear, and then set the temperature on the screen or directly in the back. To lock the rear control, tap the rear icon. To unlock, just tap it again. Tap Air Care to purify the air in your car. At any time, you can turn your AC on and off by pressing the AC off icon. With stationary air conditioning, you can increase or decrease the temperature of separate zones in the cabin. We wish you pleasant driving with air conditioning, and we hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.